весна была неделю назад. А тут еще зима. В Висконсине. Клиент нас ждет, надо рейскар подобрать, а потом Чикаго в порт. Тестировать, как тормоза работают, когда большой снег. Едем сейчас 55 миль в час, откроем окна и потом назад даем. Что будет? Вот так вот несем все. Торможу. Ну, теперь едем 35 миль в час. В принципе, тормоза работает. Можно остановиться. Чувствовалось, как ABS немного работал. А теперь нам надо разогнаться на гору, газу до конца. Не едет. Зря я тестировал тормоза. Написано, что тут авария 50 фитов назад была. Я ничего не видел, но вон впереди что-то видно. Looks like an accident. What is it? A truck and a car. Just a truck. And a police car. Left side he's got a plow, and in the middle. And in the back he's spreading salt. Pretty cool, huh?
For Floridans.
Look at that.
Nice to know.
He's got like 20 feet of plowing in the, you know. You can do 2 lanes at the same time.
Yeah.
It says caution, slippery conditions. the ice is already packed down here where we're driving, so it's kind of like right here it's good. No ice. There's the road conditions, huh? Как она тут? Check it out, huh? He's still plowing.
А там как едут.
Spreading out his wings. Pretty good job. Hopefully we won't have to follow him all the way there. I kind of want to pass him. Should we do that?
Ну, подожди.
It does say sudden stop, stay back 300 feet. That's not 300. Oh, he lifted the right plow.
Потому что там машины едут.
Huh?
I think so.
We just stay behind him?
Yeah.
20 miles an hour?
Yeah.
No? Those other cars are kind of slow, huh?
Ну да.
Look at that. Oh, he lifted his plows. Because this area is already plowed. He's probably going to do another exit. Вот тебе и snowplow, да? Интересно? Мама, all right. Bye-bye, snowplow. He's going to go turn around. Plow another exit ramp. XPO Logistics, double trailers. Look at the passenger windshield wiper. It got so much snow. It's pushed away from the windshield. Yeah. Oh yeah, now we're skidding. Traction control. It's been a while since I driven through something like this. It's like, you know what's my favorite thing about pulling a trailer in winter, snowy streets, where they got the big snowbanks and you cut the corner sharp, and then the trailer goes through the snowbank and knocks it all down for the cars behind you to struggle through. Right? I don't know. Do you ever do that? No. I've done it a couple times. Look right there. Look at these snow chunks. Yeah. Someone's neighborhood has like a foot of snow. Crazy. Our customer said he's not gonna make it out there yet. He's got to plow snow. Like this guy, look at this guy's plowing snow. Look at this, it's like a foot deep on the road. Look at this little pond. Wow.
Go and move it back to
I
Minnesota.
like these fun times. Are you having fun, Mom?
Yes, I do.
Look, the traction control, it doesn't actually work on the truck. I clicked it, snow, mud. All it does is flash it. Well, watch, we push the gas, it just starts skidding. Look at the guy looking at it. Stop sign, so we have complete to go to a complete stop. And ahead of us is a hill. Will we make it up the hill? Let's go, go, go. Come on, Clifford. A good 5 miles an hour. Yeah, now 10. Well, can we go any faster? We need to go faster than that, Captain, to get up this hill. Do I? Come on, come on. If we can't make it up this hill, we're gonna have to back up 2 blocks. Oh yeah, it says school ahead, speed limit 15, and we're barely doing that. Yeah, we made it. We made it. How about that? Wompa. This is how people live in the Midwest. Look at, it's a normal thing for somebody to be shoveling snow like this. Look at, he's cleaning snow right there. Look at that. Midwesterner right there, cleaning snow. You know, they get up in the morning, they're like, oh, I'm gonna go clean snow before I have my coffee. They think it's good exercise. Another Midwesterner cleaning snow. Let's talk to him. Hey, how's it going?
Very good.
Is that a normal activity that you do? This activity you're doing, is that a common, normal thing? You're cleaning snow?
It's what you make of it.
What you make of it? What do you make of it?
Enjoyment for the time being.
Yeah, I'm enjoying seeing you guys cleaning snow. We don't do that in Florida.
Where are you from?
From Miami.
Oh, then you're quite familiar with this.
Have a good day.
You have a great one yourself. God bless you.
You too. Uh-oh, looks like we're...
Start. You
We're
start.
going to be seeing you here for a little while.
Let's see. There we go.
Take care.
So, the problem is,
We almost got stuck. And would act how should I say? We almost got stuck and became in need of this Midwesterner's help with his shovel.
Yeah.
So got to be careful. Kentucky, 950 is this race car. So there's the bridge that we weren't allowed to go on. And we had a challenging time to get around it. But now we got to turn left and go up a hill. And we're already using our four-way locking differential. So hopefully we won't get stuck on the turn, which is the worst thing. Hopefully we can straighten out. Then back on the bridge we're not supposed to be on. And then get a run out and climb up the hill. So let's see how Clifford does it here, huh? Back up a little bit, get speed, turn around, and try to make this turn. Let's get some more speed. Let's back up. This is getting challenging now. Yeah, we're not going there. We're not. We're just going straight. We're going straight. I actually thought I was going to make that turn and go up a hill. No, we're going straight. The truck doesn't even want to turn. I didn't even plan that. I did not script that, or I actually thought I was going to turn left.
So now what do you think?
If I would have turned it, now with the GPS says to turn there. I don't know, can we get up that road? We're gonna have to get to this place from another angle. That was fun.
Никто не ездил.
Есть справа кто-то, нет? stop signs don't apply when you're in winter emergency storm conditions, right? Most people got a swimming pool over there. Not gonna need that today. So, okay, we got another angle here. We can possibly do. Let's see. Watertown. Opportunity runs through it. That's what it says on the sign. So, yeah, we're...
Как дядя Афанасий говорил, Сибелев. Пошел туда, где Макар телят не пас. Так и тут.
This is it. This is our
Destination.
spot. I don't know if we should go in there. All right, let's step out and look at the carnage. Woo! Yeah! Da-da-da-da. That's the site we have. Look at these cars going through. Oh my goodness! I'm telling you, it's like a foot of snow. Look how deep that is. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, fresh powder. The truck looks pretty good in the snow, doesn't it? Look at how much has caked on. Yeah. Look at that. It's insane. How's the trailer doing? It's alive, huh? Yeah, so he said he's gonna come in here and plow. So when that happens, yeah, we can load the car. Look at the back of the trailer. The graphics are snowed in. Can't even see the lights or the writing. What's up, guys? I have clients' cars in the trailer and nothing's working. It's showing 8 volts, as you see, and I can't open my lift gate. No power. I connected my 12-volt power supply, my cable. Nothing.
this. Then over here, what do we got? Our good old trusty golf cart batteries. This is what Kentucky gives you from the factory. 6-volt batteries connected to 2. So you got 4 batteries. There's a fuse in here. I checked it. It's good. So you got 4 batteries. And you got clients' cars stuck in the trailer. You can't get them out. You're caught in the cold winter with your pants down. Kentucky, why would you do that? Why would you make it so unreliable? This is a 2021 Kentucky trailer. There you go. Garbage, hauling garbage. So embarrassed. You know, the guy is like, yeah, I'm gonna show up and clear the lot for you so you could go in and load up the race car. Nothing I can do. Can't open the lift gate because it's got electric power. I checked my fuses. There we go, nothing. Up, down, no juice. Nothing. Lift gate's not opening up, so yeah, we're stuck in the middle of nowhere. And we can't do anything. What is this? What is this unreliable Soviet Russian technology? Huh? It shows 14 volts on this gauge. Of course, the engine light is on too on this newer Volvo. But we passed emissions inspection the other day. So yeah. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I don't know. It ended up being a open circuit breaker that I had to close back that popped. Those on the truck batteries connected to the circuit charging the trailer. So once I got that pushed in, everything started working and charging.
does it have a working brake?
Park brake?
No. Okay, so I got wheel chocks and then over the wheel straps.
Yeah, I'll probably just have to let it warm up a little bit before I can start driving.
How much horsepower is it? Like 800?
No, I would say it's probably closer to 6. So this was a track experience car, so this one was kind of made to have it's actually a challenge car. This guy's so races this challenge.
Yeah. Mars Cheese Castle in Kenosha, Wisconsin. Не удаляй теперь. Какой ты удалила? Я хотел, чтобы ты сделала, начала с знака и потом общий вид весь. А так ты зрителям on a new line warehouse. That's what I mentioned to you. Там я ломался, меняли мне коробку. Клатч я менял на ферме.
Да?
Yeah. So anyways, we're going to the Cheese Castle in Kenosha, Wisconsin. Давай посмотрим, что там. Может, что-то вкусненькое. Maybe see something edible.
Может, там надо было?
Все души. Alright. Truck parking on the road or on right side of driveway. Huh. Sounds good.
Alright, truck. Let's go check out the cheese castle. Ну, как тебе нравится сыр? В общем.
Да, я люблю.
Да? Но,
Смотри, он есть такой тут.
да? Какой?
Ну, он такой, он с вином.
С вином.
Да, да, он такой сладкий.
Ну, Car Hauler поехал, а? И американский флаг. It's a castle, huh? Okay, here we are. Right away. Что за это, да? Spotted cow. Опа, ничего себе, вот эта корзина. Oh, cheese curds. This might be good, да? Давай такую возьмем. I like cheese curds.
Ну, подожди, давай посмотрим.
This Wisconsin cheese curds.
Ну, тут полно всякого.
They even have a restaurant, and you could try all these. Oh, these are sodas, root beer, cream soda. All this interesting stuff, да? They got a restaurant here. Ah, it's a blue cheese cow. What do they got here? Ice cream, I guess. Man, they really did up this store. A lot of alcohol, more drinks. Мам, не хочешь пить? Тут больше алкогольных напитков, чем сыра. Oh, here's dipping, fig spread, all these cheese spreads, or I mean, jams that you could use with cheese. Ну, у нас есть джем, да, какой-то ты брала? Where is everything else? Okay, so this is the cheese section. Oh, and they got meat too. Oh, look, samples, Mom. This is vintage Yellow Creek. Как он тебе? Хороший? А тут что? This is what I came here for. Cheddar cheese curds. Sharp cheddar. 6.44. Mars Cheese Castle cheese. $7.89. Короче, да. О, такие cheese gift boxes. Wow, look at these. Wisconsin cheese. Как тебе такой? In wax. Look, they got a tractor, a cow. Oh, a cheese castle football. Star baseball. No basketballs. And here we can more samples, huh? Artesian sample, maple, cheddar, bacon. That's what it looks like. А это какой?
Это blueberry.
This one's blueberry.
Мне тут больше нравится. Вот такой.
Grove lamb chopper. You like the first one? I knew we were going to try samples in here.
Это тоже
It's kind of
хороший.
exciting. Oh, this classic Goya. Not like the Goya I'm used to.
Он очень жесткий, да?
Nah, it's more hard. How about this one?
Well, I don't like it because it's hard. It's got a French taste to it.
Вот этот, наверное.
No? I like it. They have all kinds. Look at these. String cheese.
Какой?
String cheese называется. Goat milk. Короче, да. Такое еще. These are my favorite.
Какой это?
Может быть, 3 такие купим и this is what you like? Anyways, they got a little deli section. And look at meat, too. For all of those that that like to eat animals that eat grass and stuff. Anyways. Yeah, let's not waste too much time.
Okay, that's it for the cheese castle. And here we are, coming up to Illinois, and no snow here. Look at this. Just old man winter.
Там еще красивее были. Это как они называются? Скворечники? Да.
Coming up to Chicago, huh? Look how people live. This normal life for some people out here. Look at these backyards, huh? Coming up. Backyard снимает забавно. Вот так вот.
А, этот многоэтажка его. Ему, наверное, уже 100 лет. 100 лет ему. Видим солнышко. Ура! Чикаго нас встречает.
Chicago suburbs look just like New Jersey. Looks, all these wires. I don't know. The wires are what get me. Before it didn't bother me, but now I see them all the time. It makes me think of like the 1920s. You know?
А вон та антенна тебя не беспокоит?
Downtown?
Антенна.
Антенна?
Вон. Грил.
Ладно, включи. Теперь красиво, да? Look at that. It's the Ukrainian flag with the United States flag. At least they have the American flag on top. Isn't that crazy? Что это за место?
Це буде Україна. Слава нації!
My Ukrainian friend Толя. Все, короче, да, решили флагом это украинским рядом с американским. Все, мы как бы решили все проблемы украинские. Не будете вы кушать майонез с сгущенкой сильно много? Или все равно будете?
Мамалыга
И
будет.
это, если война решится, то флаг потом какой поставим?
Молдавський.
Молдавский? Surge the car holler.
Ну да.
Okay, here's our exit. Mom, are you ready to go to downtown Chicago in a car that's way too big for a downtown area?
With you, yes.
With me, you're ready.
Yep.
You're ready to take a big rig semi-truck through the streets of
Yeah.
downtown?
I will flag them to go away.
You'll
I
I got an orange vest for you. Look,
Yeah.
you can wear this. You can pretend to be the police, writing a ticket out to me, and you can
Sure.
yell at me, say, "Get out of here! What are you doing?" I'll be like, "Okay, I'm leaving." Look at that, U.S. Postal Service. He's checking on his load, huh? Or maybe he's unloading. Maybe we should load the car right off the interstate, huh? That'd be convenient. Maybe ask a client, say, "Hey, can you pull it up over here?" So we don't have to sit in this traffic jam.
Ти саме високий?
Sears Tower, да?
Ну да, эти апартменты.
Right by the highway.
Yeah.
Mom, do you think we will fit under that bridge?
I don't know.
Do you see a sign? Do you see
Not-
a sign that says the
Not,
height?
not yet.
Yeah. What do you think, Bob?
Well,
What do you think?
I think we can make it.
Think we can make it?
Oh,
Go.
Now it's time to rest. We're right behind the H Mart in the King Spa Sauna. Ooh, this place used to be open 24 hours, but we'll be back. We'll be there for tomorrow and hang out. But for now, Mom, you're supposed to sleep in the top bunk. Нет? I get the top bunk. Mom's watching Slavic's TV. Slava. Что там, Мерседес, смотри.
Ну да.
Я хочу такой Мерседес. Хорошо, Mom, you did a good job videotaping.
Well, you are my teacher,
That
That
was a good, she caught some good moments, huh?
Well,
Y-
I hope we have a
You guys
little better
comment
next
below if you want Mom to go trucking with me. She may do a good job. How should I say?
time. Cooking
Yeah, cooking.
universal.
And yeah, pretty good job. It's good.
Yeah.
This was winter Wonderland storm day in car hauling, huh?
Скажи им, пусть они там ставят comments below и like it. на то видео.
Это и есть того видео.
Ну, на то, что я сняла.
From today?
Да.
Yeah. Well, this is gonna be all one movie.
Okay.
Okay, we're just telling them good night.
Yeah. Ставьте лайки и делайте
Mom,
comments.
don't turn the heater up too much. So it goes to the top bunk.
Знаешь,
И
я с
потом-
Ташкента.
And then here's how you turn the light on.
Okay.
Вот так. And there's my bed. Mom gets the TV down here, huh?
Свои кровати не показывай, маме. У нас тут
А чё?
privacy.
But sure, everyone knows there's a bed in the truck. So yeah, tomorrow we're gonna lounge around at the King's Spa Sauna. Good night.